guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cut on my lips, so I exfoliated way too hard and now there's a cut. Anyways, I just used the blood sugar palette and I created this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and comment, because I just want to know who's watching my videos. I want to know who's watching my videos. I want to know if you guys like these type of videos. I really enjoyed how this look came out. I am obsessed. It wasn't that hard. I used literally 3 shadows in this palette. So thank you for watching, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep watching. There's like so much you can do with this palette, and this is gonna be like my first impressions on it. So, and like review first impressions. So like I don't know what I want to do. Like I don't know. All right, I kind of have an idea, kind of. So I'm gonna be using my Sigma tapered blending brush. This brush is like my go-to brush, and I just can't do a look without this. So let's just zoom all the way in. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows, and my lids are already primed. I didn't set my lids because I haven't done that in a while, so they're primed but they're not set. I'm just going to be using the mirror in the palette. I'm going to go in with Cake Mix. I don't know how girls can hold a mirror and do their makeup. It's hard. Like I need to be like in it, like way in it, you know? It was like 50 degrees last week, and now it's literally 70 degrees right now outside. Like, I'm not ready for it. Don't know what to wear. I'm going to be using Y17, this Morphe brush right here. And I'm going to go in with, which one should I go in with? Ouch. I'm going to go in with Ouch. It's a nice like camel color. I'm gonna use my Shape Tape to like a little bit, cut the lid a little bit. So now that like the concealer is on, I'm gonna be using, I don't know, I'll just use my finger because I feel like my finger always does like a better job. Yeah, like my finger looks better right now, like applying it than a brush. I'm gonna use this concealer brush by Sigma and go in with sweetener, but I'll be a little bit more precise. I finished my eyeliner, just gotta do my face, and I'm not gonna film my face because this is a Jeffree Star blood sugar review, so I'm gonna do my face makeup and then come back and tell you guys what I think about the palette. So this is the finished look. I just did my face makeup. It didn't take that long. Usually like what takes me long is my eye makeup, but I already filmed it. My review on the blood sugar palette is that I'm fucking obsessed with it. Oops, I shouldn't have cursed. Censored version. So basically my first impressions on this palette is wow, and where have you been all my life? The colors are so easy to blend, super pigmented, and I just cut my lip. I was exfoliating and I cut it. And honestly, the fallout, there is not much. Like, this is the only fallout. Let's zoom you guys in. This is the only fallout I got. This is the only fallout I got. Like, it's not even bad. The fallout is not bad at all compared to, like, not trying to knock Anastasia Beverley Hills, but sometimes their palettes are a little bit on the powdery side, which is fine because it's an eyeshadow. It's literally powder, but you know, some eyeshadow palettes are just less powdery, and this is one of them. Not much fallout at all. I'm obsessed with the colors, obsessed with the packaging. It reminds me of like Louis Vuitton, when Louis Vuitton, I think, collabed with Supreme. They made like literally kind of look like this, so I love it. I love all the colors in this palette. You can use it for like a soft night out, or you can even go like smoky glam, you know, look. I literally just used 3 colors from this palette to create this wonderful look. So I'm honestly, I've never been so pleased with the palette in my life. I am obsessed with this palette. I will have more looks coming with this palette. Just Jeffree Star, you did an amazing job. I know I'm kind of late on reviewing and using this palette, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, I buy my makeup myself, so it doesn't get sent to me. So if I see something that I actually like and want to try, I'll get it. Alright, so like, I forgot to film an outro, and I hate doing this. I just realized this while editing. It's 1:51 a.m. and yeah, I'm so sorry. I forgot to film an outro. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys loved this video. Yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.